Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nabi has pointed to mounting injuries as a major factor behind his team's struggles. Following a 2-1 defeat to Golden Arrows in the Betway Premiership at Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday, Chiefs suffered their 10th league loss of the season, with Nabi lamenting the impact of an early injury to midfielder Thabo Cele, which he said disrupted the team's rhythm, and that the injury to Thabo Cele in the first half disrupted us a bit in terms of the link between the defense and attack. The injuries and absences we have are costing us a lot. It's a very tough loss, very hard to accept. It puts the club in a difficult position, and I know our fans are struggling with this. Despite showing early promises, Amakhosi failed to capitalize on their dominance in the first half. Yusuf Mart struck the post from the penalty spot before eventually equalizing after Nduduzo Sibiya had put Arrows ahead. However, Knox Mutizwa's 73-minute goal sealed the win for the host. Nabi said, "We controlled the game in the first half and should have taken our chances. We started the second half poorly, but after making changes, we felt we were getting back into the game. Then we conceded a goal out of nowhere, and after that it was very difficult." Golden Arrows head coach Manqoba Mngqithi detailed how his side capitalized on Chiefs' mistakes to claim victory. He acknowledged that while his team endured difficult moments, Chiefs' errors in the attacking third worked in Arrows' favors, and said we must give Chiefs credit. They started well and came at us, but they made some silly mistakes in attack. Arrows also faced their own setbacks, with David Lukele suffering an injury after a strong performance. However, Mngqithi adjusted his tactics at halftime to gain control of the game. Mngqithi said in the second half, we had to match their tempo. We were getting behind them, creating opportunities, but we didn't always make the most of them. At halftime, I had to push my players because they were starting to sit back, and I wanted us to press higher. They responded well. In the end, we got the result. With this loss, Amakhosi find themselves in a challenging position, while Golden Arrows celebrate a hard-fought victory. As Nabi continues to navigate injuries and tactical concerns, Amakhosi will need a swift turnaround to salvage their campaign. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.